high. Now that's not as bad when that little car went through before though.
I got a picture of you backing up the...
Oh boy, you know, you just made it.
I thought you were going to drown out. You were backing up so hard, you were backing right into the water and it was filling your muffler.
It was just going, I mean, your muffler was just skimming it. And I thought...
No, when he backed up, you were pushing the water with it.
Yeah, and it was just...
It's misting again.
Yeah. I'll get you an umbrella. Get it. Are you going to...
How high's the water, Mama?
How high is I said, Don, I said, hurry up and get your swimming trunks on. I said, I'll meet you in the court.
These prints?
Yeah.
Yeah, shoot one for me.
Whoops, don't put that in front of my face.
This might not be so funny in about an hour.
Oh, you better believe.
Stay there. Stay by it. Just get...
I'm getting wet.
You're in an umbrella.
I'm under an umbrella.
Hey!
Crazy.
Isn't it there, Chief?
Just like little kids.
Can you get me?
Yeah, he's got you.
Oh, yeah.
Want me to say a few thousand words where your mic pick me up?
I think it's picking up some.
Okay.
Why don't you go round up 2 of all the animals?
You gotta go over and see your people. What else? There's Don. Here's going through. Oh, the street's gonna be a mess.
Too deep for my boots. I ain't going out there.
We'll
Walk on the sidewalk.
we'll get you some fishing boots.
The water's higher.
Yeah.
Here's pretty far.
That's what I said. We see.
Yeah, I'm on the sidewalk.
Go ahead, step off the curb.
Help me. That's why I didn't walk over there. Help me. That's why I didn't walk over there, because my boots aren't high enough.